So I'm going to be doing a room transformation on my son's room. If you've seen on my channel before, I did it while I was pregnant. He is 2 years old. He's getting so big. This is his room. I just got these bifold doors for his closet. We had some in the basement, but they just like got ruined for whatever reason. So this is the room. And I don't know why I left this wall white. I'm gonna paint this wall the same cream, and then there's a vision. So I'm gonna paint that color on the white walls, and I'm gonna do some stripes and some like stars kind of like on the top. It's gonna be real colorful and playful. I want his room to be like a kid's room, like just cute. I'm not sure what curtains I should do yet, so if you have any ideas on what I should do for curtains, comment down below. I cleaned out the drawers and I took out all the clothes that don't fit him, so it's quite a lot. So there's a bunch right here, and as you can see, it's a lot of clothes. And then there's more on this side of the crib. So this is going to go on his bed once we get the new bed. And here is his little basket of toys, which shouldn't be in here. It should be like in the closet part. But here is a kind of like a bookshelf, like coat rack thing that I'm gonna hang in here, and I think it's so cute. And that was a thrift find, and this is another thrift find. I don't think I ever showed it. Such a cute bookshelf. I think I only paid like $10, maybe 15. Super cute, and I love it. And this is going to be a little bit of an upcycle. I got this, I think, when I was pregnant. My mom bought it. We like to thrift, so we found it at the thrift store, and I think I'm gonna upcycle it. I want to put something different, a different fabric on here, because this is giving like, well, not cute, but also like girl. So I want to change that because that looks like tulips, and I don't like the green. So yeah, and then this is laundry that I have to do. So I'm gonna get to start cleaning this room. So this is how the rug looks. It's so nice. I love it. So I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum, and then hopefully it kind of like settles down, because it's where it was stored, it was kind of folded over. So yeah, so it has a lot of like crinkles and folds, but it looks so good. I love it. We are painting the stripes on the wall, and I think it looks so good. I'm gonna put the inspo on the screen. But here are the stripes. We gotta touch it up a little bit because it bled through the tape, but it looks so good. I don't expect the lines to be perfect, but I want the lines to look a little neat. So yeah, so that's, I'm gonna work on that after all the lines are painted. The light blue and the darker blue kind of That look kind of looks good too. I kind of like that, but we're going with the red. I really like the red. Super cute. And then I'm gonna do a print on the top of the wall. My face is so red right now. But yeah, and then I'm not worried about this part too much because I'm gonna add some molding and it's gonna be super, super cute. So stay tuned for that. So now we're working on this side of the room, and I came up with a better way so that way I can do both stripes at the same time. Ignore the mess. I have a pile of everything, so that way I can paint this wall. But so I measured how wide this was, and I got thinner tape, and so I put the tape here, and then I measured how wide this blue was from here to here, so that way I can put the tape on the sides of the blue, be able to paint the red, and then still paint the blue. I don't know if that makes sense at all, but I did it that way so that way I didn't have to like taking off the tape and then retaping. So I think it's gonna work out great that way because it looks like the rest of the stripes so far. Still not finished painting the walls, but here we are. Have to get that bed taken out. I'm gonna unbox the mattress onto the carpet so it can expand. So I just finished vacuuming. That's my vacuum. And then I have to organize the closet, but so far so good. Clothes I have to put into a container. His old mattress and changing table. This super, super cute bookshelf I got. Clothes I have to put away. I have to find the lid to that. And then this is crib that we're gonna take apart this week. And his dresser. Almost done. I don't have a box opener, so I'm using this cute little what are these called, like knobs that I got from Hobby Lobby. So it comes with this like thing to open the plastic. Have you seen those videos on like TikTok or like YouTube or whatever where the person's opening the mattress and they open it the wrong way and they just like fly? I don't want to be one of those videos. It said to fully unwrap before cutting it, so I mean I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm assuming.
What you opening that with?
It came. So here's the blanket that I ordered. It's so pretty. I love it. I think it's gonna be a nice addition to the baby's room.